Okay. Oh, no, we're on again. So today, it's back to front, isn't it? Today we're doing Love to Learn. It's our knitting and crochet workshop.
I do like these.
So you do the knit, because I can knit, but I just can't.
Well, I was really lucky. I was taught to knit as a child. I was brought up in Shetland, so I was taught to knit as a 5, 6, 7-year-old at school. So knitting is second nature to me, but I do realise I was so lucky with that. So love to learn to knit. So you get your instructions, you've got step-by-step instructions as to how to create your stitches and so on. You've got your little kit and a 3-hour workshop. And just keep coming to
needles to get.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, the nice knitting needle. Yeah, we're doing it with iron and 5mm needles. Just makes it that wee bit easier. Come to the workshop. Come to the next one. Skip one. Whichever you want to do. It's all very. We'll just pick you up wherever you've got to. We'll just pick up. Got a couple of ladies coming today who need help reading patterns, so they can knit but need help reading patterns.
Yeah, it's just like tweaks, isn't it?
Yeah. So whether you're an absolute beginner or whether you need to know how to do something that's a little bit more complicated, come along and we will do our very best to get you going.
And so, you've been making this, haven't you?
Oh yeah, so this is an absolute beginner's cowl. So it's done with super chunky yarn.
Look at these, got some really good colours in these as well.
It's brilliant.
So these are all available in Dimpner's Haberdashery shop. How much are all of these?
They're £5.50. They're 200 grams. So you can actually make
loads.
two cowls.
And, I've made hat and gloves and
well, we've actually made out of one ball the crochet cowl and the knitted cowl.
Crochet and knitting.
Out of one ball.
Yeah.
So how good are these? But this is an absolute beginner. So if you've never knitted before, you can do this.
The crochet and the knitting ones, you get a pattern. You get you get a big crochet hook in this one, and they also have video tutorials with me and Dimpner. Well, you do the knitting one, I do the crochet ones. This will be all lovely and subdued. Mine will be. But I love these and I love wearing them because I'm putting it on because I've got
well, I was just thinking that.
I love wearing these because you don't get them zipped up and you go and you've got all that flapping about like Doctor Who.
I also like the fact that you can swap colours. It doesn't matter what you're wearing, you can change the colour.
This goes really, because when I first saw the colour I went, I'm having that one because I thought I've got a long black coat and it really does pop.
Yes,
it does pop. But I'm saying that
I wear it with a dark navy coat actually. It's the same idea. It's brilliant.
So the Love to Learn in my kits, I've gone with chunky.
Yeah.
And a 6.5, 7mm hook. And I've got a little few stitch markers and needles in there. And then I've also done some bits. So when I was starting to crochet, the worst thing I found was what's the single, what's the double, what's the treble, So there's, it's crumpled up that one, sorry. There's a bit of a sheet there, which is, it's also a freebie on my website as well. You can actually download that and print it.
Yeah, it's just a bit of a Bible, a stitch Bible, isn't it?
Bible. And then there's Lisa's basic tips, how to hold it, how to count your stitches, how to work in another row, how to turn it, how to sew it together. So there's a little Bible in that, and I've also written that in left-handed as well. So I've got a few left-handed ladies in my classes.
The other thing we have actually, don't forget, we have Love to Learn Facebook groups. So we have private Facebook groups for both knitting and for crochet. And there's videos on there. So if you suddenly think, oh, I can't remember how to do a pearl stitch, or I can't remember how to do a slip knot, or whatever it is, there's videos, and each video, just run the video that you need, and
it's all broken down in a guide section.
It's there for you.
And I've even printed off these little stitch by stitch, so you can put it next to you and read that, and they're available on the Facebook group as well. So I think we basically covered everything. You can either learn by a picture, learn in the workshop, and then take it home and learn with the video tutorials as well.
And it doesn't matter what stage you're at. If you can crochet, knit, whatever, or if you can't, it really doesn't matter. We will work with you as to whatever stage you need help at.
Quite a lot of people bring their kits as well, and we can help you work through those as well. So, and you can also go on the crochet table, or you can sit over there on the knitting table.
The knitting table's a lovely quiet.
I'm in the naughty corner up here. So, we've got lots of ladies coming in. It's the last Friday of the month at 10 o'clock till 1, and the second Friday, because we've been that busy, we've got another date on as well. So there are Love to Learn knitting and crochet workshops at Avant Garden Centre.
Can't wait to see you.
So here is our garden room we're using for our events, and today we're just setting up for our knitting and crochet workshop.